bolt.
Let me look up top. I think it's up top somewhere. Or is it in the box?
Yeah, I had it in the box.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was trying to get everything in there so we wouldn't lose it.
So I don't know if I got it 100%.
So you think it's worth trying to recycle it?
Oh, I don't have anything, so.
Yeah, I was just thinking like Home Depot and something. Oh my God. I dropped that adjustment.
Like that.
Oh, shoot. Good question.
I think it was in like that. Yeah, it must have been. Yeah.
That's the bottom and that's the top.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you got this.
Because I feel like we could see this, not the brushes.
The top.
Yeah, I think we were looking at this
Yeah.
one. It
Yeah.
was just crusty. And you're right. You know what? This is all cracked. Did that?
Is it correct,
I mean,
or is it just the...
Oh, that's the way it's molded. Never mind.
So
Never
going
mind.
in, this is the top then, right?
I believe so, yes. That should be actually... Well, no, wait a minute. No. Shoot. The other way. The other way. Yeah, the other way. Because, so think about it. It was in the car like this.
I don't remember.
Right, it was in like this, yeah. So that
Yeah.
facing forward, and then
The
that
plug was on the top.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, move that one out.
Oh, yeah, of course. Oh, my God.
Where does that spacer go?